Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we'll be designing this very simple party flyer. It's a normal flyer. So first of all, I brought in this background. This is background, so let me turn off all these layers so you can see what we got going on. This is just a simple explanation. You can walk around it. It's quite okay and good. So first of all, I brought in this background. This is a normal background. I added gaussian blur to it to filter to your blur, gaussian blur, just to get a preferred design. Then I brought in this image. You can see this image here is just a normal image, but I didn't. It wasn't blending well with my background, so I added color balance. So let me explain color balance to you. Color balance, you come to this side, color balance. Click on it, then create a clipping mask. So if I open this now, you can see the value is at 34, magenta is at 10, yellow 0. This side chart it's at a balanced state. Then as usual, I will add my gradient tool. This color, you can use this color is 260 800 for the color. Then you can decide to add this upper one too. This upper, I duplicated this particular gradient tool here, and I inverted it onto this layer to make my text brighter. You can see if I turn this off now, it looks so dim. So I wanted it to be deeper and should be more glaring. So you can bring in your rectangle shape, your text. Now for this text over here, this is a text got from free pics. So let me show you how I got this particular text. You can see this is this school. This text here, very simple and straightforward. You can see this arc here. This is how I got it. I made horizontal. Then for this bend is -31. You can see if I do this, you can see to change. Sorry, you can see -31, -31. You can see. Then you can see is lower arc. Very simple and straightforward. Then place your text. You can change text if you want to. Different designs, different variation. Then I added an extra light to my design to make everything blend well. You can see for these vibes also, this is autograph personal, like I always use my designs. Autograph personal use, then regular I use drop shadow twice. The first info is opacity 74, distance is 32, spread is 44, size is 32. Then for the second drop shadow size, I used opacity at 96, distance is 7, spread is 6, size is 5 for this. So that was exactly how I got it. So please do well to subscribe and watch my other videos. You can see this is another design that I'll be doing, so you can check it out also, and download the free PSD file. Thank you.